So Be My Partner started back in 2017. We were a group of 5 members who were interested in beekeeping. So we started keeping bees. And then later in early 2018, we were motivated by our matron whose ponds were idle, so we decided to venture into the fisheries. So, and luckily enough, we got word from the ward extension officer from the Ministry of Agriculture that there was a project in Vijabees. We were motivated to do fish farming because as youth, it is less labor intensive. So we are able to combine, maybe the youth can go to their daily work and again we can run the fish production. So since we engaged with Vijabees project, we have benefited from a lot of trainings. That is record keeping, entrepreneurship. We have ICT, which has also boosted us in how we keep our records, how we market. And also we've had marketing, and they've also given us a chance to exhibit our products around Njoro, which has really opened our market for fingerlings and raw fish as well.
Okay, mimi kama binafsi nimesaidika kwa njia mingi. Juu kama saizi tunaenda tunapikia watu fish, wananunua. Faida ni mimi nachukua, inanisaidia mimi na familia yangu. Na pia inanisaidia mimi siyuko idle.
So the biggest support Vijabees has given us is in 2 aspects. One is training, considering that we were very fresh in the fisheries value chain. Right now, since the Sagana training, we've been able to hatch in our own small means. We've liaised with Egerton University, who are providing us with equipment. Secondly, the funding has been really a boost for us in our morale and also in our capacity. Because right now we are in the process of setting up a fish hatchery, and we will be having now equipments which will enable us now be the first group in Nakuru County to operate a fish hatchery.
For Be My Partner, I'd say that the most impressive, trait of, let's say the group, and especially the leadership is, the way they take the linkages that we make, especially with the county government of Nakuru, very seriously, which has enabled them, to get really good support in terms of, getting certain equipment that has helped improve their production. And also, the trainings that we have held in terms of taking them for learning journeys. They have been able to, take these skills on board, and now you can see they are setting up an hatchery, which I believe will greatly improve, the production, of the group, and also help support other farmers in aquaculture in Nakuru County.